Alright everybody, this is just a little follow-up video on the '08 Chevy Tahoe with the 5.3. Went ahead and got a camshaft for it, so we got this one out. The repair's all said and done. It has no more cylinder 5 misfire. Idle seems to be running good. What we did is we replaced the camshaft and just the correlating hydraulic lifters for cylinder 5 intake and exhaust valves right here. And the other ones, we inspected them, they all look pretty good. I'm just going to go over this camshaft with you so you can kind of see what we were dealing with. No abnormal wear really on any other lobes except for cylinder 5. Now, this is one worn out piece, all grooved up. And then this is the one I think was really causing the misfire.
See you later, thank you.
See ya. It's right here. That one. You can see where it's just eating it out. Take a little, somewhat of a straight edge to show you. So here's a good one. Goes right across. And then here's this one. Gets stuck. So these lobes were worn out. You can see it. You can see it on this one. It's starting to pit. So a new camshaft and 2 hydraulic lifters fix that misfire for this one. So if you're going in for a misfire, you got any kind of cylinder head off, don't leave this thing unchecked. Save you a lot of time.